In this video, we're going to learn how to speed up or fast forward clips, which is very commonly used to skip boring parts and keep videos engaging. Let's start with the first method. Make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. Now right-click on the clip and choose Speed or Duration. This opens the Speed or Duration window. Here you'll see the speed value, which is set to 100% by default, meaning normal speed. If you increase this value, the clip plays faster. For example, setting the speed to 200% makes the clip play twice as fast. Higher values create a stronger fast forward effect. As you change the speed, notice that the clip duration becomes shorter on the timeline. This is because faster playback uses less time. If your clip has voice, you'll see an option to maintain audio pitch. Enabling this helps keep the audio from sounding unnatural when the clip is sped up. Once you're satisfied, click OK and press the spacebar to preview the result. Now, let's look at a second and faster method. This method uses the rate stretch tool. You can select the rate stretch tool from the toolbar or simply press the R key on your keyboard. Once the rate stretch tool is active, click on the end of the clip in the timeline. Now drag the clip inward. As you do this, the overall clip becomes shorter and Adobe Premiere Pro automatically increases the playback speed to fit the new duration. Dragging the clip inward makes it play faster. This method is very useful when you want to quickly adjust timing without opening any menus. Both methods achieve the same result. The speed/duration option gives you exact control using percentages, while the rate stretch tool gives you quick visual control directly on the timeline. And that's it. You now know two effective ways to speed up or fast forward clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.